safe place. Creator of the universe, honor and glory to you who truly know me and my entire life story. In you, I find a safe place because for me you always have time and space. Please heal whatever needs to be healed in me. Cleanse whatever needs to be cleansed. My desire is to stay under your umbrella of love while extending it to others. I need your deliverance and your spiritual and material abundance. Teach me to take care of myself and to always follow in your footsteps. Please protect me and my offspring from all evil. Break in my life what needs to be broken. Restore what needs to be restored. And enrich what needs to be enriched. In the midst of my wish fulfillments, please help me to never forget you and to always use my blessings to bless others too. Amen.